What are project milestones? Well, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what they are, the purpose of them, how to decide what a milestone should be in your project, and some examples of them. So let's begin. What are project milestones? Well, project milestones are specific checkpoints in a project. It really is as simple as that. Now, they help you identify the stage and progress of a project, and they give an overview of how far the project is from completion or success. Now, these points will often mark the completion of a major phase of work or the completion of a deliverable. So what are the purpose of them? Why would you put those into your project schedule? Well, milestones can help measure and show progress, and they also serve as a scheduling tool. They help break a project into smaller, more manageable parts. They can help show estimations of when a project will complete. They can help identify where issues develop and help control them as they arise. And one other key purpose and benefit of them is that they give opportunities for sign-off, and they ensure that tasks only begin when the team or certain processes are in place for them to be able to do so. So if you're a project manager, how do you decide what is and isn't a project milestone? Well, milestones should always be markers that define the end of a phase or the completion of a deliverable. So for instance, completing the project charter could be a milestone of the project initiation phase. With that being said, milestones will vary depending on the project, the organisation and other factors. So just bear that in mind. So I've got 3 different examples of project milestones here. The start or end date of an important project phase, like the initiation phase or the planning phase. Completing or delivering on the key project deliverables, like the delivery of a product or service to the client or to the customer. It could be the creation of an app or the launch of an app. And thirdly, an important event in the project, like the project sponsor giving their approval. So that is what project milestones are. And if you liked this video, then do hit the like button down below. That notifies me that this video is useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the alert button, and that will notify you of when I release new videos just like this. I've got plenty of videos on project management, and I've got plenty more coming. So do subscribe and hit that alert button. Now, I wish you an excellent rest of your day.